24 hours.
It's taking some effort to haul that in here.
Mike finally arrives at the remote hangar.
Hopefully there's an airplane in it. What a mucky-ass mess. But good thing I brought tools. Voila! Hey, there's an airplane in here. See if it's something we're actually going to be able to move. It doesn't look too bad.
Mike has the plane.
But, you know, it's been sitting through a brutal Alaskan winter. Who knows what kind of shape it's in.
The question is, will it fly?
Airplane's clean. It's very well equipped. It's got nice instrumentation in it. You know, all indications look like it's in pretty good shape. All we can do now is take it outside and see if we can get this thing running. Maybe we'll get out of here today. Set that thing down. We get on either side of this thing and pull it out so we're moving straight.
Before he can do anything else, Mike needs to be sure the plane will start.
There's fuel in it. Battery's stone dead. We don't have any voltage at all, which means we're gonna have to hand prop this thing. You know, thing is, turn the master on, you prime it, crack the throttle a little bit, you just swing it through. But if for some reason you got a little more throttle than you thought you had, you got a 150 horse weed eater here that's coming after you. So you want to tie it down or chock the wheels really good or something.
To avoid a gruesome pulverizing by the prop, he first secures the plane to the ground.
Push the mixture in, crack the throttle just a tiny bit, pull the primer out.
If the props don't spin, he'll be 2 days from civilization with no rations and nightfall coming on.
This isn't good.